Good evening, everyone. I am Manona Valerie. I am the first reporter of our group, and we are going to discuss the positive and negative effects of nanotechnology and the proposed solutions for the negative impacts. So, the positive effects of nanotechnology, we have here the example in the improved water quality. So with the help of nanotechnology, water quality can be improved, and thus nanotechnology provides a solution to clean the contaminated water and prevent new pollution. So with the help of nanotechnology, toxic gases in the air can be cleaned. But first, we have to detect the pollutants at the molecular level using precise sensors. Therefore, by detecting pollutants by specific sensors, we can help protect the sustainability of human health and the environment. And the nanotechnology provides us with a new approach to cut down the waste production, reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, and discharge of hazardous chemicals in water bodies. So next is the nanotechnology in medicine. So the nanotechnology has the potential to bring major advances in medicine. Nanobots could be sent into a patient's arteries to clear away blockages. So surgeries could become much faster and more accurate, like injuries could be repaired cell by cell. And it may even become possible to heal genetic conditions by fixing the damaged genes. And the nanotechnology could also be used to refine drug production, tailoring drugs at molecular level to make them more effective and reduce side effects. So moving on to the negative effects of nanotechnology, we have here first the air pollution. So nanoparticles may damage the lungs. We know that ultrafine particles from diesel machines, power plants, and incinerators can cause considerable damage to human lungs. This is both because of their size, as they can get deep into the lungs, and also because they carry other chemicals including metals and hydrocarbons in them. So example of these are the pollution caused by a factory of chemicals that has been transmitted to air that breathed by human into the lungs that result of lung problems. So next we have here the human products. So in human products, we are more particular in cosmetics. So the nanoparticles can enter the body through many routes, dermally by ingestion, inhalation, injection, or by implantation. And nanoparticles enters dermally when they are present in skincare products, hair products, or lip balms, including sunscreens and anti-wrinkle cream. So these cosmetic products need no clinical trials but have the maximum number of products with nanoparticles. So the nanoparticles in these products have been reported to cause erythema, the cobalt and chromium nanoparticles cross skin barrier and damage fibroblasts. So example of these are the cosmetic products that has been manufactured in many stores without proper inspection of product substance that bring harm to human health once it brought and used.
Propose solutions for negative effects of nanotechnology. The issue of environmental pollution has become a hot issue in today's world. Environmental pollution, mainly caused by toxic chemicals, includes air, water, and soil pollution. Although nanotechnology offers a broad range of potential uses and rapid advances, this technology may also have unintended effects on human health and the environment. Air pollution, an example of nanotechnology application in toxic gas cleaning, is the process of CNTS and a gold particles adsorption. CNTS consists of a hexagonal arrangement of carbon atoms in graphene sheets that surround the tube. There is a strong interaction between the two benzene rings of dioxin and the surface of CNTS. In addition, dioxin molecules interact with the entire surface of nanotubes with a porous well and the possibility of overlapping events that increases the absorption potential inside the pores. A remedial solution is the use of green technology, an environmentally friendly technology, which is developed and used to conserve natural resources. This technology aims at producing nanometers with lesser raw materials, minimum energy consumption, and minimum waste production. It is known that any manufacturing process is accompanied by a large amount of waste production. This is minimized by green manufacturing, which uses green chemicals, which are less harmful to the environment and energy-efficient processes. Microemulsions, which are used instead of VOCs in the cleaning industry, are an example of green technology. Human product cosmetics. The following must be assessed to the lower of the risk of nanotechnologies in cosmetics. Number 1. Physical. Chemical properties, physical properties like size, shape, specific surface area, agglomeration, state, surface chemistry, and a lot more have to be analyzed. Number 2. Mathematical modeling. These predictive models range from simple empirical algorithm to complex mathematical equation which sometimes require knowledge and estimation of experimentally inaccessible parameters. Number 3. Microscopic techniques. More useful information from the in vitro studies can be obtained by microscopic examination of the skin post-treatment. While absolute quantification may not be possible, visualization of the tissue to which an active has been applied can provide valuable insight. Number 4. In vitro methods. Though there are a number of alternative methods and technologies for studying the molecular mechanisms involved in the biological activities of compounds, only the validated methods are permitted for cosmetic products. Let's know how other countries assess these issues. Number 1. U.S. Food and Drug Administration warned that the health risks of nanocosmetics require a thorough investigation before product commercialization. Number 2. In Australia, the National Industry Chemicals Notification and Assessment Scheme regulates the safety of ingredients in cosmetics and personal care products and therapeutic goods administrations. Regulates sunscreens. However, these regulators failed to distinguish between nanoparticles and larger size. So number 3, the EU Scientific Committee on Consumer Products looked at the safety evaluation of nanomaterials for use in cosmetic products and considered the implications on animal testing and whether the previous opinions on nanomaterials currently used in sunscreen products would need to be revised.
That's all. Thank you so much for listening.